Ciao guys, let me introduce you to the Mayflower First Step model kit. This model in 1/135 scale is 25 cm long and 25 cm high, and it has a width of 6 cm. Let's see what's inside. First we find a paper card with all the decorations, the plans, the instruction book, the pre-built hull, which is about 17 cm long, the wooden strip, the pre-cut keel with tags and crow's nest, the cloth for the sails, the stand, and all the details. The stern's decorations won't be painted, but they will be glued directly on wood. Let's check the instruction book. Images are in black and white and everything seems to be explained well enough. The rail construction might be a bit challenging for beginners since the wood strips are quite small, but still it is a doable part of the process. At the end you will find the material list. The grating are made of plastics, not a huge fan, but still good for beginners. Lifeboats are made of metal, like the gun ports and the bow's decorations. A special mention goes to the gun ports, which are actually very small, just 4x4 mm, and look at the details. To be honest, since it is a first step kit, I was expecting already made sails, like you can find them in the bigger version of the Mayflower. Anyway, it's a good way to start sewing your own sails. Other wooden details seems detailed enough. Take a look at the capstan, for example. We then find the MDF wood for the keel and walnut for the crow's nest and the bow's parts. The pre-built hull won't need to be planked, just the whales might need to be bended a little. The Amati Mayflower First Step is clearly a kit that was created thinking about beginners model ship builders, which are probably choosing their first kit. Although it has some inconsistency in terms of difficulty level, the overall challenges are low, making this kit a very easy one. The instructions are clear enough and the plans have some interesting hints that might help the modeler in some of the work phases. The materials are plastic, wood and metal. The wood and metal accessories quality are high, while plastics in wooden model making are rarely an appreciable addition. Although the hull is already made, there are some opportunities to make the whales and to bend them according to the hull shape. The cost of this kit at the moment of this video is around 55 euros. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a step-by-step video on this model kit, and I'll see you in the next video.